sage potatoes au gratin. This is one of the first recipes my mom gave to me when I moved out. I was like, Mommy, tell me how to make those potatoes you always make. So simple, I thought she was lying, because we know how moms do when they give us the recipe. They don't give us everything.
Or in my family's case, my grandfather.
It's so rude, but you know, like, you can't make it like them anyway, even if they give you the exact amounts. So heavy cream, fresh sage, and what's gonna happen is the heavy cream is just gonna steep with that sage. Become flavorful, nice little pinch of salt. And I like the black pepper. Some people are white pepper purists. You know, you never know. So then we've got the potatoes here. These are russets, very thinly sliced into a buttered 8x8. On every layer, about 3 layers, you're gonna come in and you're going to season. Little paprika. Look at me contaminating the salt. Pepper. I used to get in trouble for that growing up.
And then a little contaminated.
Well, you know, it's paprika salt now. And then a little bit of manchego cheese, okay? Yeah, that's right. It's good. It's melty. It's funky. So right over the top again, you just want to start layering these, and you just keep on going. And between every single layer, you're going to hit it off with that salt, pepper, paprika, and a little bit of cheese. Listen, you can do Gouda,
Gruyere.
Gruyere would be great. If you like smoked mozzarella, that would be fun too. Yeah.
That's a fun one.
Do what you like. Do what you like.
That's a fun one.
Yeah, I like that. You know what I'm saying? So then you're just going to go around.
You want to put this one on this one?
Yes. So then this is finished. I'm going to
you want to strain it? Yeah,
strain
it's got
out
the sage.
That sage. And just right over the top, no bechamel needed. This is gonna tighten up with the potato starch and the fat and the heavy cream. We're gonna cover this up. Look at us moving around like an orchestra, honey. And then we're gonna get this into the oven at like 375 or 400. Here's the game. It's the holidays, so if you got one thing that's like 400 degrees or 350 degrees, this is still gonna cook in 350 degrees.
That's right.
Just get it in there with everything else.
I'll pop her in.
Yep. Now, so that's gonna cook for 40 minutes covered and then 20 minutes uncovered so you get that color.
Oh, bring it on over, look.
Yes, honey.
Here, then you could put them in the same shot if you put them next door to each other.
Ta-da!